It is a great day when we get some extra income. Thank you so much for being subscribers because I just got some Google AdSense. So we are going to add that to my savings challenges. Okay, I'm very excited. So let's jump in and let's get started. My name is Raylan, for those of you who are new here, and I love to do savings challenges and budget with me's, invest with me's. So if that's something that you like to do, welcome. Please subscribe. So I got a total of $120 for my Google AdSense. I have been doing YouTube for quite some time now, and I just wanted to say thank you so much to all the subscribers. I can't believe we are almost at 10,000 subscribers. Whew, that's crazy. I don't want to jinx it. So we have 2 challenges that we would like to do, and I also want to put a little bit aside because I'm doing an envelope challenge, 1 envelope per day. So I will show you what I'm doing for that. So let's start off with savings challenge number 1. This is for my student loans. I have a ton of student loans, so we need to get started like right now. What we're going to do is I have this fancy little board game. It's kind of like Candyland. And what we're going to do is just pick something out, go by the honor system. I'm not looking. And it says 6. So we are going to go 6. Start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it says 5. I'm going to put $5 into my student loans. So basically what I want to do is do as much as I can with the student loans, then do as much as I can with the other savings challenge, and then go into the envelope. So we have 5 so far. Let's do another one. One jumped up. Okay. 11. 1, 2, 3. 15. Wow. So we have 15 right here. I will put that off to the side. So we have 20 now. I usually do 3 of these, and we will do 1 more. Okay, so we have 9 for the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 10 more. 10 more dollars. So we have 10, 20, 25, 30. I think that since there's 120, I like to use my variable income for my savings challenges and for the envelopes, and I like to put them into my investments and into my student loans because I want to get them paid very quickly, and I want to be able to have a comfortable retirement. So right now we have 30. I'm going to go 1 or 2 more. We have 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Another 10. And let's do 1 more because I want to get those student loans paid off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Another 10. 10 is our number today. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, we have 50. I think that is great. We will get this, student loans. I use actual envelopes. You can use whatever you would like, and we already have 20 on here, so we're going to add an additional 50. It's 5/26. May is almost done. And that brings the total, glad I wrote this in pencil, the total to 72. So our student loans so far are 72 for this month. Not bad. I'm going to put this into the envelope, and we are going to go to our next challenge. Super exciting. Okay, so that is that one. And we did 50, so I want to color this in red just so we know that it's 50. And there's a 50 right here. Perfect. It's like serendipity. Absolutely love when numbers come across like this. My semester's over. I'm not taking summer classes because I would like to have enough money to be able to graduate debt-free. That is the goal. Let's do the next one. Okay, so I'm also doing a down payment for my house that I want. So it's like my dream house. I would love to have the Upper East Side, but it's called Saveopoly. It is so cute. And basically it's Monopoly. You know how to play Monopoly. But we're going to use this instead of dice. So let's see. And I got 12. We're going to start at go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 25. Ooh, okay. So we have 70 left. Here is the 25. I might only be able to do 3 of these. Okay, and 3. 1, 2, 3. 11. 11. Oh. 11. Cool. Okay, and let's do one more. I really think that I'm going to get a place maybe in Westchester or something like that. I really love the area there. Okay, so 6. And it's not quite as expensive as Billionaire's Bro, so I think I should do that instead. Okay, let's see how much we're up to. 5. Okay, let's see. So we have 20, 30, 42. That's perfect. So we have 42 here, and here's the 42 is going to be added to the dream house. And we are now at 72 total. So that is going to go in the envelope as well. I would really like to put 20% down so I don't have as much to pay later. Okay. And then last but not least, we are going to go with our envelope system. So we have the envelope right here. And we're just going to go over here. And this is the second envelope. Now what I do, I have a different jar, which is right here. Says envelopes in it. And we just do one of these a day, but I already did mine for the day. It's between 3, 4, 5, or 10. But this is just a second one that I'm doing because of the extra income. And I think I'm just going to put the rest into student loans. Okay, so we have 3. So we are going to put 1, 2, 3 into our bonus envelope. Now, what am I going to do with the extra income? I think what I want to do actually is just put it into this envelope. I think that's what I want to do. Right, so 120 minus 92 is going to be 28. So I'm actually going to put $28 into envelope. And I think that would make a lot of sense. So that way there's a little nice surprise at the end of this. And what I plan to do with this is get at least $1,000. As I said, it starts at 3. I'm doing this daily, so 3 times 365 is over 1,000. And that's generally what I wanted to do, because I wanted to save over $1,000 and then try to put it back into my student loans if I want to do that, if I want to buy a purse, if I want to do voice lessons, whatever it is. If I want to get a studio, the sky's the limit. So it would be nice to have some extra cushions in there and just see how much I can get by the end. And if that sounds interesting to you, let me know. Let me know what you spend on your extra income. If you have any extra income coming in, please give a like, and please let me know what type of videos you want to see. I love each and every one of you. Bye.